Mema party. Only oba eba baby. When oba fufro, who put it. Obeying one bema granity. One bema and it's all. I just don't. I don't get it. Ebe den unja loopholes.
Good afternoon, madam.
Hi, good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh God. Your menu.
Sister, for menu no, for konchen kakra nsa why? I would him here wa me frɛ na. Me akasa. So she be am dey nam.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I'll call for it. Why?
Okay.
Enya no na ye ka. And besides, na say phone wo kra wo ba no you are aware. You are aware, and then besides Bible kra can say wo betimi ahwa. Don't I take care of you? Men show.
Oh, baby.
Kiba bi abet na ha auto mean to na say am.
Betumi.
Na so dey
sort na bonten so bi we normal.
It me won me bet na bonten wi enye yi. Wo dey yen kona me kon.
Listen, business meeting na buy. No ba na bet na.
Oba. Na ma dey dey can say.
Na business meeting. Eh plan na buy it me so
na my offer me for a business meeting or so social. And so dey me abet na. Maybe you're selfish. Is that what you're telling me?
The fact I mean, you're trim and fine.
What dear young corner,
na me more being so when you can crab you and I'm can hear you boy body be. No, I did so better to them son like a
men came on house once. I said, Ben, I person make it. I never saw the Macumia.
Relax and
I'm not hearing and I'm near the arena.
The next year, cramp on investment, make us I know the infam, but
now him saw your best friend and better open here.
So, what's the
matter? Now him saw your best friend, so don't turn around and make you look like I'm the bad person. I'm not the bad person. You knew she was your best friend. Who said why a dentin and also best share, and I take good care of you. I do everything possible. For the young corner, but I need to. You need to introduce. Sir.
Well, say you do feel like cannibal for baby.
It do go for Menciano.
I don't think it's necessary. I don't remember what you want to say. Only Papa process a mouth for a book. Now, Miss won't never open a dozen and say, oh, Mamma. Hey, oh, bye, Papa.
Chief. Yeah, brother, Waba.
Nah, yeah, I buy another Tiano. Unim no way.
I say, why don't you baby some damn questions? Let me wine. About obedient the girls, baby some them in wine. Huh? What's up, brother?
Oh, girl.
Yeah.
And I'm in Cano Crunch Show. I buy an in the Tihan. Me girl.
Yeah, but
Minyabu Channel. Miss I buy one in the Tihan. I am a girl.
Girl, our girl.
Yes.
Since when? Hey.
Oh, I'm not big man, Maswa.
Hey.
I now say what down.
You
told me he's your friend, so I want to introduce myself to him.
Oh my God. They're all your fine, baby. Oh, you're baby. See, I don't know why you're in trouble. Sit down. Oh, and I'm Kakra Mary. Oh,
and I'm not.
Oh, you're ordering no more. How you taka?
Was there other man back?
You are no relax. You are not talking. A baby, I can't sort out. Now, but at the morning, yeah. Now, but the reason why I'm in Pella Bokwa catch you there, me the baby of Gumam, until I make tasting to J. I'm to be your four brother.
And now I'm maybe a person. Every year.
It's okay, brother.
I'll be waiting for you in the house.
Okay, baby, I'll come. Right.
A friend and
see. Oh, you real woman. Now, I say you cry or I didn't mean them. The mammy, to be a man as well.
Oh, you are for Dome. Oh, you are not that.
Another back and what did?
No, I hadn't on a bed.
No, you are what you read there. And Mr. Carbo, you are your academic. Talk for Madame.
Me, stupid.
Romantic guy for baby. I'm
on the baby, Margin.
How you doing?
Oh, I mean, then, move for baby, I'm 2 years. See, you have to try this. Come on, move to me, get a man. See, now, but try this one. Try this one. Also then, it tastes good, right?
Sorry.
And I'm getting a Ghana Harry. Ubenya Kodo Ubiaba.
The baby to Sunday, the other me
Sunday, a Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
And I'm better power.
Any problem? You are talking to Mr. Van.
PK, be a shock. PK, what's shocking me, Papa? Hey, it's Wunya. Hey, PK, Papa. Wunya. Wunyo Banam. Oh, me, Nana, I am away, Miss Aqua, now we are one. Wunyo Banam, who bath for who pussy why were you asking? I saw everything. PK, that pain will be giant map. Hey, how? Oh, was secretary, your friend is saying, Nanequia. Girlie, and then we share when the no Billy Jane. So on one ever matter when near Shokoy. Or no, and son of wife. Giselle. Hey,
why did you call me here?
Calm down. Calm down. It's too much. Because it's too much. Hey. My son does so do.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome. Patrol, your menu.
Sister, Okra, what the menu read? Titi, Nipa, Grad, do. Dear Sama. Oh. But near me didn't have one. I bet you be crying and young, made more bet you are.
Me patron, dear, young Nibu.
Munny, I bet you are.
Who I need juice beer? Like
your fresh pineapple ginger juice.
Yeah.
Your tropical.
Yeah.
Okay. Now me patron is your ground.
What they are branded the same thing.
Bibia fabric. You're ordering in our fabric.
Look.
I
don't have time, right? I was in the middle of a meeting, a very important meeting.
Hey, PK.
And what frame? Into what frame here? I expect I will be by.
Now, when you were in the middle of a meeting, and I will could you bar when the bear man.
Could you bar and I found
and I will go for a bar when the bear man. So why didn't we come together?
So I'm here. Tell me why he called me.
Anyway. Sister Mahonia Hakakra. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Stajo.
Yes, dear.
Bonnie Ben, my
dear Bonnie Benny.
They call me back. I mean, him say, oh, 7 say, oh, pa, I can remember because we do umpemasem. Na pa. Pardon. Aden.
I mean, I'm from.
Pa yenjaye. Pa debi yenjaye.
Wouldn't we Jan? I said, "Some maintain me once."
Fair.
Maintain me once.
Yanina, ma. Mamika some child. Me wa fanu no. Onu na oya akoranka. Na nka meka say. Ye wo baby ayebu say. Ye de wo be ko antia unti asema ye de wo ko antia de. Mitunu futu. And your fault. It wasn't your fault. Because we are young girl, we are small girl. No shop on only ye bring me more. What I say? And sister Colintina, ya mene wukuno, and yauna mene wuku. But on no, I be found no. Inti, and your fault. But on no. By
Stajo, I only baby. Pa, unim to our girlfriend. Aside, akumane.
Meba, ni yiri nechi no, ene wo no.
Pa our girlfriend no. Iti mi catch no. Ita say. Obe jai ni yiri akuma. No be twa video. Abe chile mi say. Akuma apun this one ne jai. No be jai young girl na akofan no. Asna me pun so man.
Akuma do me hero.
Over.
Ona me wale na che.
Over mi pa cho me bo. Apart from Efiewura polo, o yiri ni Efiewura polo no. Usan wo girl.
Girl bia ni mu ye do same. Ni mu ye dru ankasa. Am say ni mu kra ye do same akuma na yiri.
Sir. Over. Dia me titi no. In 50 platini. Over dia me titi na esa.
Ajo atranse na wo de wonya bema. So ye bema nka.
Ba me friend na.
Mama me nya bema.
Me friend phone no, me friend.
Let me try. Me pese o ma me hu se.
Let me afra girl no aba.
No. Me pese me hu se dia ye ka na no kwari ana se. E bia obeka se wo twantro. Nti to bo me pese me ti fi onu ankasa na no. Over. Me ba cho dia all ka no enu kwari ana nya no kwari.
Ajo ebetimi aye no kore.
Ebetimi.
But no office so no quarry. Who a girl?
Vicky.
Yes.
Asema mi baby sawi. I want you to tell me nothing but the truth. Nothing but the truth. Won't send you court to them. Na ye ma washria ye ma kansem no. Nothing but the truth.
I was a houseboy no. Just go straight to the point.
Do you know my husband?
Who? Your husband?
PK, unim my husband edike anase unim no.
No dey me go no way.
So how come he knows you?
What do you mean? How come he knows me?
My husband is back.
And I mean, it's good for me.
It's good for you indeed.
Really? Your husband is back.
Tata,
what are you doing here?
You're
supposed to be home with your husband. What are you doing here?
What are you talking about? Say, me tata. Really? Really? Anyway, my husband knows about you. What come home some 1 or 2? I just want to know. Say where to find that, where to find that Wakushian baby, and a conversation. I bring up my name or something, and I say Bia, Obi afraid. Say Bia, you my husband, and I be, and I po whom I be brepeno. Ebiane barcode blackmail you. So Obe friend my husband abonamani no ni menewa between me and I want to know, please. They would see me. They tell me now.
All I know about him is your friend of educate. Talking about travel, I don't even know him. And then again, you should know the kind of person I am. I will not stoop so low. So me go for husband ajiden.
So how come? Some only my husband mo we am ho asebisa. Minim kra se mo mfri abusua mo seden yo. Ti maybe you met each other and mo ye mo say bia mo say ana bibi na bia conversations are bringing him up. Because my husband mentioned you. He came, he arrived this morning and he mentioned you, PK.